We understand what's going to take place. I have a video. This video is no way, shape, or form acceptable of what he said to me he was going to do. He never told me he was going to do.
Well, I want to see the video. In fact, Deputy Thomas, do we have?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Bruno Police Department. At 8:01 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a mass group of rioters were gathered outside of YouTube's headquarters in downtown San Bruno. The rioters are causing heavy theft, damaged property, civil unrest, and injuries. Police have reported that these rioters are believed to be thousands of people who watch the app itself, and the motive of the riot is believed to be YouTube's recent update, which has provided under 18 YouTubers to get their face scanned by AI. Due to the situation facing the San Bruno Police Department, the National Guard has been called in to deal with this situation. All residents within a 5-mile radius of the headquarters are strongly advised to stay indoors and lock all windows and doors. If a rioter breaks into your home, defend yourself by all means necessary. Do not approach the rioters, as they are very dangerous and have gained access to firearms.